She's the baddest money in the city where she's from. Her intention is the paper, she don't need no fucking love. She's spilling all this liquor, try to pass me all these cups. Oh baby, girl, I'm phoning.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I achieve this beautiful curly hair every day, how I maintain this wig. Before we get into it, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share this video with your friend. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video.
I got feelings for you, ay. Hope you ain't loving the crew, ay. How many bodies you got, ay. Hope it ain't more than a few. Know that you dealt with some lame when you was young and in school. He had to pop your cherry, but I got it wet like a pool. She got a new G-Wag, she wanna hit highlight room and show it off. Brand new body, girl, show it off, ay. This a Brazilian, I know it's soft. Toned up and she got a six-pack, ay. Look like she used to play volleyball. American Express, you can have it all, ay. Goes to the safe, you can have it all. What's your Finsta? I wanna know the real you. You started dancing to pay your tuition, girl. I wanna know what you been through. You want a boutique or you wanna sell hair? Just let me know what you into. If you out in public and he wants your number, just tell him my nigga will spin you. The way you make me feel these days, something's getting dropped for you, baby girl. Smoke a nigga top for you, baby girl. Burn somebody block for you, you make me feel these days. Coming out my body for you, baby girl. Wipe him like he's snotty for you, baby girl. Coming out my body for you. Damn, just turn on the news and seen that man that never got pussy in school and making laws about what women could do. I gotta protect you. I'm a main man, tied in all the way, baby, so I gotta respect you. Niggas putting hands on you in the past, insecure cause your body is pressure. All words when I think about them is crusty, musty, dusty, rusty. 8 words when I think about us is fuck me, fuck me, fuck me, fuck me. Disrespect you when I smack them. The text that you send in captions, the videos we got ever leaked, we going viral or going platinum. Don't worry about your friend's story when I had her alone. She gon' try to put some extras on and take you out of your zone. You know how it go when they can't get a reservation up in Carbone. They gon' tell you it's a chill night, tell you how they rather stay home. Jealous assholes, yeah, yeah. And I know what I said about being in vogue, but just like that R&B group from the 90s, girl, one call I get you in vogue, one call you in runway shows, one call I'm sitting front row, one wrong call from your ex nigga saying dumb shit to get him saying home, one call and my niggas 10 toes, down to go wherever I say go, even if we gotta travel across the globe, down and take you to the end of the road, for real. The way you make me feel these days, something's getting dropped for you, baby girl. Smoke a nigga top for you, baby girl. Burn somebody block for you, the way you make me feel these days. Coming on my body for you, baby girl. Wipe 'em like it's naughty. I be so sick of you niggas that contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary that when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you, you know you my thug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been out, baby, baby reminiscing. Baby, I'm missing you, wish it was different than what it was. I've been out, baby, lost in the longing fast, lost in no finding us. I've been out, baby, and if you wonder if I hate you, I do. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, fuck you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your rider, you meant to handle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with you. Now I'm at your silent treat. That means no permission, no missionary getting boring. Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen, no.
Alright you guys, so this is the finished product. That's usually how I get up and maintenance this hair. If you know, you know, curly hair is very hard to maintenance. So like whenever you're getting a wig or an install done and it's curly hair like this, especially this curly, just be mindful that you will have to maintenance it like every day. If you're like me and you're gonna want to bleach the hair, the lighter it is, the drier it can get. So you're gonna have to keep moisturizing it and things like that. But I like it. I love curly hair. I love the look of it. I don't mind having to maintenance it every day. It's not that much maintenance compared to me having to wake up and do my own natural hair. Let me know if you guys like the hair. I'm gonna link it down below. This is the same wig that I purchased from Amazon on my Prime Day haul video. If y'all haven't watched that one, go back and watch that one so that y'all can see where the wig came from and to now how I customized it and everything. I just went with a middle part. I probably will end up changing the part. 13x6 lace, and it goes all the way back, so I might end up changing up the part, doing some different styles. Let me know if y'all want to see that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. That's how I maintain the hair. I really love it. Only one thing I will say about the hair is the shedding, which I mentioned in the first video. It does shed. It does shed a lot. It does. I ain't even gonna lie. But it's an Amazon wig, so you know, that's kind of expected. But other than that, I really had no complaints about this hair. Thank you so much, you guys, for tuning into my channel once again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, other than that, I'll see y'all on the next one.